This strawberry makeup look is getting viral on internet. Let's try it today. Starting off with moisturizing your skin, adding some pink and golden highlighter to it. Let's color correct. First, I'm covering this up with some BB cream. For contouring, I'm using a Maybelline foundation and the shade is 330. You have to contour all the edges of your face. Some more. For the tint, I'm using Just Hub Skin and Cheek Tint. Subtle shadow. Using a brown lip gloss. Final touch up with mascara brush. Do you see the difference? How my brows look now. Also using the small brush for the big freckles. Give some nice dab into it. Yeah, that's it. Do tell me how this makeup look looks. And yeah, if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.